Stop showing your face on YouTube. Most beginners think you need a professional camera, perfect lighting, and an outgoing personality to make money. But the highest earning channels right now are completely faceless. Today, I'm going to show you how to generate 100 vertical shorts in 15 minutes using ChatGPT and Canva. But before we build them, I need to tell you a harsh truth that most gurus lie about. YouTube is aggressively cracking down on AI-generated channels. If you try to apply for the partner program with bulk-created videos, you will get hit with the reused content demonetization flag. But here is the secret: we do not care about ad revenue. Ad revenue pays pennies per 1,000 views. Instead, our entire goal is to build an audience and funnel them into high-ticket affiliate marketing. Step 1, we need a product to sell. Go to a marketplace like ClickBank or use an AI software affiliate program that pays recurring commissions. Grab your unique tracking link and put it directly in your YouTube channel bio. Every single one of the 100 shorts we are about to make acts as a free traffic engine pointing to that one link. If your video gets 100,000 views and just 1% of people click, that is 1,000 highly targeted leads for absolutely free. Now for the fun part, let's build the traffic engine. First, we need the raw data. Go to ChatGPT and type in this exact prompt. Give me 100 psychological facts divided into 2 columns. Part 1 for the hook and Part 2 for the payoff. Why facts? Because human psychology dictates that people have to stick around to read the second part. This drops your viewer swipe-away rate and pushes your retention over 90%. When retention spikes, the YouTube algorithm aggressively pushes your video into the Shorts feed. Copy all that data into a Google Sheet and download it as a CSV file. Now open Canva and create a mobile video template. Search for a moody, aesthetic nature background that loops seamlessly. Add 2 bold text boxes to the screen, one for the hook at the top and one for the payoff in the center. Now for the automation secret. Go to your Canva apps, search for Bulk Create, and upload that exact CSV file. Right-click your first text box and connect it to Part 1. Link the second box to Part 2. When you hit Generate, Canva instantly builds 100 perfectly formatted, unique videos right onto your timeline. What used to take editors 30 hours just took you 30 seconds. Now sit back, we are almost done. To maximize retention, offset the timing of Part 2 so it pops up half a second before the video loops. This prevents the viewer from processing the end of the video, forcing them to watch it a second time. Render the entire batch as separate MP4 files. Use YouTube's built-in scheduling tool to publish 2 videos every single day. You now have nearly 2 months of automated content running on Autopilot. Remember, perfection doesn't matter here. Volume matters. Once the algorithm finds your audience, the affiliate commissions will follow. Stop consuming content and start building your empire today. Comment Automate for the full strategy guide.